But the word person, and you're dealing in the jurisdiction of the corporate, and their definitions normally rule unless you can define otherwise. I would stay as far as away from the word person when describing a living soul. Man, woman, offspring. You don't even want to use child. Child is a corporate term. So yeah, I would stay away from using person describing oneself, because legalese English and traditional English are two different languages.
What is your opinion on a UCC filing against the all caps name? Should one have one on file with the state?
Okay, now if you're getting into that, you can. I don't go past UCC 103. I don't really exercise anything else in the UCC. So yeah, you can do UCC 1, especially if you got so-called creditors coming and you want to establish your lien first. You may be able to do it, because most of the time, most of your so-called creditors don't do it when they're supposed to. So if you get yours in there first, you have first in line, first in time, first in line, first in line, first in time.
But does this same process to change status apply to someone who is not born in the United States of America and is a resident on California on a green card for more than 7 years? Or are there additional steps or paperwork one has to go through?
You can still do the separation, but the fact that the all cap is not considered per se a U.S. citizen, because that's U.S. citizen is the birth certificate name, and for people who come in this country, it would be the certificate of nationality. So that would take the place of the birth certificate. That's not available yet, because they're still on a green card. So the best I can say is they can go off of the green card for now, and it could be perhaps redone once they become a quote so-called citizen. But yeah, I've seen it done with people who are considered so-called a U.S. citizen, but I never seen it done with somebody who only has a green card.
In regards to the attorney-in-fact, I've recently read that you may want to take office of executor. Is this in agreement with your thoughts, and does this have a similar effect of being the attorney-in-fact?
No, the executor and the attorney-in-fact can be separate offices. They could be via the same man or woman, but generally speaking, they can be independent. And number two, if somebody's going down that road, you have that that knowledge, trust knowledge, you should be able to work that. You might even be able to, even get around this if you know how to set it up right.